of the biggest obstacles when it comes to adding on mosquito control is the labor time and the technician time that might be involved in that. But to try and help with that, that's why we built the SecureChoice program. And it really came about because we had customers that wanted to break into the mosquito control market. And we developed the SecureChoice program with that in mind. So whether you want to go out on a 30-day rotation or even a 60-day rotation, we can build the program to fit your best needs. And for most companies where labor and time might be the most critical, going out about once every 60 days really seems to be a nice fit.